Okay.
But pretend they needed to climb up first.
So we got our Nerf guns. How many guns we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4.
4 Nerf guns. We've got 3 magazines. We've got lots of bullets.
1, 2, 3.
We've got
4. But then 5 and 6.
these loading
because
clips.
there's
Bullets
your
in.
2 big guns.
And we got these targets here. We got a mini-me to shoot at. A can and some plastic tin things. Now the dog has somehow escaped the bedroom. We forgot to shut the door. So we've got these targets to shoot. So should we get loading? Oh dear, what's this? Let's get the dog out because she barks as soon as we shoot guns.
Yeah.
In here.
Shoot 1 bullet.
Good girl. Don't want to upset the neighbours. Right, which gun are you going to load first?
This one.
Okay.
We
So
need to
we
load
need to
all the first
load up
guns
these magazines,
with
don't
red bullets.
we? Red bullets first.
Yeah, and then the next colours.
Are we missing a magazine? Shouldn't we have 3 of those?
Yeah, but I know where the last one is.
Is it here? Okay. We get loaded and then do some target shooting.